Welcome back. Well, can hair straightening products cause uterine cancer? Unilever has recalled popular brands of aerosol dry shampoo, including Dove and Tresemme, after discovering that they were contaminated with a chemical called Benzene that can cause cancer.
Well, the company has recalled other brands as well. The US FDA, in fact, said the exposure to benzene can result in leukemia and also other blood cancers. Now, this isn't the first time spray-on dry shampoos have been identified as a problem. A woman in the United States, remember, had claimed that she contracted uterine cancer after using L'Oreal hair straightener products. Now, P&G also last year in December recalled its Pantene and Herbal Essences dry shampoo, citing benzene contamination. First up, let me straight away go across to Shruti to really talk about these cancer-causing drugs that have been found in some of these products. Shruti, what more can you tell us?
Yeah, Krithwin, so Unilever has recalled certain aerosol products because it apparently contains a chemical that can cause cancer. Now, let me walk you through the details. Unilever, United States, issues a voluntary product recall. They have recalled dry shampoo aerosol products produced prior to October 2021. Now, what are these affected products? We have Dove, we have Nexus, we have Swab, TIG, and even Tresemme. So these are the companies that have been affected by this recall. Now, Unilever potentially, it has been claimed that it potentially has elevated levels of benzene, which can cause cancer. US FDA found that benzene can result in leukemia and other blood cancers. So the main reason behind recalling these products is the presence of this chemical called benzene, which can lead to cancer in the future.
All right, Shruti, thank you for joining us. Let's also introduce our guest, Dr. Sanjeev Bagai, chairperson of Nephron, to put this in perspective, because this is extremely concerning. Doctor, you know, these are shampoos that are used by women across the country. Now that some of the products have been called back, have been recalled, how concerned should the women be?
Good afternoon. I think this is extremely alarming. And really, it's a failure of the company's part, especially the multinationals, to get the act together. More than 40% is the risk factor of contracting cancers with long-term exposure to shampoos which contain benzene. They cause bone marrow depression, leukemias, myelodysplastic disorders, non-Hodgkin lymphomas. Benzene as a compound is rapidly converted into byproducts. Mainly what we call as phenol, what we call as bisphenol A, which is anti-estrogen. It causes infertility, diabetes, hypertension, and a variety of cancers. Benzene is not routinely used in human beings. It's normally used to make rubbers, lubricants, petroleum products, plastic, explosives, pesticides. The immediate reaction is generally with patients is with headache, nausea, vomiting, drowsiness, and sedation. Even a 5-minute exposure to high levels of benzene can cause damage. So I think one is, of course, these products need to be taken off the shelf. They need advisory. The company needs to give a public advisory warning against these products. And it's difficult to isolate benzene because these tests are expensive. Benzene is rapidly excreted from the body within 48 hours through the urine. But I think people need to be cautious, and it's a warning sign for all citizens that read the product information carefully before using any item, be it prescription or non-prescription.
Okay. Dr. Bagai, I believe the FDA too hasn't set benzene limits for any of these cosmetics. So I wish we could take this further, but this certainly is an important update coming in. Thank you so much for joining us with that perspective and giving us all those insightful inputs into this very concerning update. We need to step into a quick break. Thank you, Dr. Bagai, for joining us on Times Now.